The most effective ads you can put on any WordPress blog. Create as many profit-pulling ads as you like. Today and from this page only, you get an unlimited site license for the Covert Messenger plugin. No technical skills required. The plugin installs with just a single click, and setting up an ad is as easy as creating a new WP post. You can have your first ad up and running in minutes from right now. With just a few clicks, enjoy click-through rates like never before. People will notice your ads and they will click on them, guaranteed. Promote your affiliate link, build your list, or promote your own products and sites. It doesn't matter what niche you are in, Covert Messenger is the most effective ads you can put on any WP blog. 5 good reasons to secure your discounted copy of Covert Messenger today. 100% mobile and tablet-friendly, Covert Messenger is designed to work perfectly on all devices, so now you can easily monetize your traffic across all platforms. We have even included the option to turn off your ads for mobile and/or tablets. Step-by-step tutorials. As usual, we have created a super easy step-by-step setup wizard for the plugin along with detailed mini tutorial videos right where you need them when you need them. Great support. As always, you will get all the support you need and also free access to all future updates to the plugin. Top converting ad templates. We have easy-to-use ad templates based on all the top messenger services, including Facebook, Skype, Messenger, and many more. The lowest price you'll ever see. We can guarantee that you will never see Covert Messenger at a cheaper price than on this page. Right now, the price is going up with every order, and we are going to sell this for $67 or more in the near future. As you can see, you can choose between multiple great-looking templates spanning all the most popular messenger programs. Customize the from name to anything you want. Write any text you want on your Covert Messenger. You can even use HTML to make text bold, use different colors and lots of other effects including images. Preview your ad in real time as you create it. You can link your Covert Messenger ad to any page you want. Affiliate links, CPA offers, your own sites, etc. When people click anywhere on your ad, they will go to the link you specified. You decide if the link should open in the same or a new window when people click your Covert Messenger ad. Choose if you want your Covert Messenger ad to display only on the front page of your blog or on all pages and posts. Show your Covert Messenger ad immediately, or set any delay in seconds you'd like, plus multiple other time and delay settings. And in just a couple of minutes you can have a Covert Messenger ad live on your blog. It will look like a normal instant messenger notification, using the same familiar templates people know and love. Frequently asked questions. Q. Is multi-site and developer's license included? A. Yes, your license code is valid for unlimited sites and domains, and you can even use the plugin on sites you build for clients or on sites that you sell flip for profit. Q. Are there any upsells or upgrades? A. Yes, there is an upsell offer available. It is another of our highly popular WordPress plugins. However, while the upgrades are highly recommended, they are 100% optional and not needed in order to achieve anything listed on this page, and you are getting all the features available for this pro version of the plugin. Q. Can I contact you? A. Yes, our customers and visitors are always more than welcome to submit a ticket at our help desk, and we always aim to reply within 24 hours, and usually a lot faster than that. Q. Can I get a refund if I don't like the plugin? A. Yes, you can. We have a full 45-day no questions asked refund policy. We'll part as friends, and we'll still thank you for giving us a try. Q. Will the plugin be updated and supported going forward? A. It sure will, and you'll find that we have one of the best track records for continuously supporting, updating and improving our themes and plugins. Q. Are there any other costs except for buying the plugin? A. You need to have a hosting account and a domain name with WordPress on it in order to use the plugin. Other than that, there is no extra cost.